If you're looking for the best policy writing software in 2025, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm giving you a complete breakdown of the 8 best tools on the market right now, so you don't waste time testing platforms that won't deliver. Let's be real. Creating policies isn't just about writing some rules and calling it a day. You need control. You need accountability, and you need a way to ensure your entire team actually follows what you've documented. Without a strong policy system in place, you're vulnerable to compliance failures, inefficiency, and preventable mistakes. So here's what you're getting today: a breakdown of what policy writing software actually is, why your business needs one, the key features that matter most, and my ranked list of the top 8 tools to consider in 2025. Let's get into it. Policy writing software is built to help organizations create, approve, distribute, and track internal policies and procedures. It's not just a Word doc on SharePoint. It's a system for maintaining order, ensuring compliance, and proving that your team understands what's required of them. The best tools include version history, approval workflows, red confirmations, and tight integration with your HR or compliance staff. Let's talk about what happens when you don't have proper policy software. Someone on your team breaks a rule they never saw. Suddenly, you're at risk legally or financially. A new hire gets inconsistent onboarding, and now there's a customer issue on your hands. Or regulators ask for proof your team saw and acknowledged a policy, and you've got nothing. Policy writing software removes those risks. It helps you roll out changes fast, track who's read what, and ensure accountability from top to bottom. It's not a nice to have, it's operational armor. When evaluating tools, don't fall for fluff. Here's what actually matters: approval workflows with digital signatures. You want a clear, trackable chain of authorization. Version control. Every change should be logged, and you should be able to roll back anytime. Read receipts and tracking. You should know exactly who viewed and acknowledged each policy. Templates and formatting. Starting from scratch every time, that's a red flag. Integration. Your tool should connect with your LMS, RIS, or communication stack. Analytics. You want to see engagement, compliance gaps, and document health over time. And last but not least, security. You need role-based access and data protection built in. Number 1, SweetProcess. SweetProcess is designed to make documenting policies, procedures, and processes dead simple. What makes it stand out is how it brings everything under one roof. You can create structured, step-by-step policies, link them to procedures, embed rich media, and assign tasks to enforce them. It supports real-time collaboration, approval workflows, and detailed version tracking. With public and private knowledge base options, deep integrations, and AI-assisted documentation, SweetProcess is a complete operational system. They offer free migrations, a no credit card trial, and charge only for active users. Best for businesses ready to centralize policies, procedures, and accountability in one clean system. Number 2, ConvergePoint. ConvergePoint is purpose-built for companies in highly regulated industries like healthcare, finance, and energy. It runs on Microsoft SharePoint and brings in heavy-duty policy lifecycle management from creation and routing to legal review, approvals, and employee attestation. The platform supports detailed audit trials, robust versioning, and automated training tracking tied to policies. Best for enterprise teams on SharePoint needing full compliance control and documentation from top to bottom. Number 3, Power DMS. Power DMS is built for public sector and government agencies, and it delivers on accountability. You get digital policy management, electronic signatures, integrated training modules, and mobile-friendly access so field staff stay up to date. Its standout feature is the ability to tie policies directly to certification forms and even performance reviews. Best for law enforcement, healthcare, and other public safety organizations needing field-ready compliance tracking. Number 4, PolicyTech by Naven. PolicyTech is a robust enterprise solution that automates policy management end to end. From drafting and approval to distribution, attestations, and compliance reporting, it's got it all. You can schedule reviews, manage access at a granular level, and run full compliance audits from the dashboard. Best for large corporations with legal and compliance teams that need fine-grained control and audit readiness. Number 5, Zavanta. Zavanta excels at helping non-writers create clear, effective policies and procedures using structured templates and guided authoring. It includes automatic formatting, built-in training delivery, and policy linking to actual job roles or departments. Best for mid-sized companies building their first formal documentation system and needing guardrails for policy creation. Number 6, Meta Compliance. Meta Compliance combines policy communication with employee security training and compliance alerts. What makes it unique is the ability to manage phishing simulations, push policy updates across global teams, and track acknowledgements in real time. Best for corporations focused on cybersecurity, employee awareness, and multi-location policy rollout. Number 7, DocRead for SharePoint. DocRead lives inside SharePoint and allows you to assign policies to specific users or groups with confirmation tracking. You can create red tasks, see completion status, and store everything in your existing Microsoft infrastructure. Best for teams already on Microsoft 365 who want seamless policy assignment and tracking inside their ecosystem. Number 8, Compliance Bridge. Compliance Bridge gives you tools to draft, distribute, and test policy comprehension. You can include quizzes with every policy, monitor who passes, and use detailed reports to highlight gaps. The UI is clean, and it's one of the few platforms that combines policy management with learning verification. Best for teams who want their policy rollout to include testing and engagement, not just acknowledgement. Here's the takeaway. The right policy software ensures your team stays compliant, informed, and aligned with zero guesswork. Don't risk falling behind or facing fines just because your policy process is outdated. Click the first link in the description to get started with SweetProcess. Sign up for a free trial and see how easy it is to centralize your policies and procedures today. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. If you want to go deeper on policy strategy and internal communication, watch the video on your screen now. See you there.